Good morning, children. How are you all? Here is your educator, Divya Miss. Today, in maths, we will try to understand the concept of zero. It is on page number 39. Children, open it in your maths textbook. Children, zero. Zero means nothing, none. Let's read and understand zero. There are 3 eggs in a tray. Children, look at here. It is a tray and there are 1, 2, 3 eggs in it. 3 eggs are eaten. How many eggs are left in the tray now? Children, look at here. Now there are no eggs. 0 eggs. Nothing. None or nothing. We write none or nothing as 0 and read it as 0. Look at here, children. There is one more example. Rahul bought 4 balloons. Here is a boy, Rahul, and he bought 1, 2, 3 and 4 balloons. All balloons flew into the air. How many balloons are left now with Rahul? Look at here. All balloons are fly away. So how many balloons are left with Rahul now? None. Nothing. Children, remember, 0 means nothing or none. When we have no objects to count, then we say that we have 0 objects. Children, do you understand 0 now? Okay, let's turn the page. Page number 40. Children, it's a revision time. We are completing our chapter 2, numbers up to 50. And here are some revision exercise. Exercise A. Write the missing number. Children, it is very easy now. Yes. So, it is in your homework. Exercise B. Count backwards and write the numbers. Children, it is also easy now. Can you do it? Yes, you can do it now. So, it is also in your homework. Exercise C. Write what comes before and after. Children, I am sure you can do it easily. So, do it in your homework. Exercise D. Fill in the blanks. Children, this exercise let's do together. We will read, fill in the blanks and we'll write down the answers. The number before 13 is. Children, what comes before 13? 12. Before 13, 12. 36 is between blank and blank. 36 is between. Children, if I am writing 36 here, 36 is in between. What comes before and what comes after? Before 36, what comes? 35. And after 36, 37. So, 36 is between 35 and 37. The number after 48 is. Children, what comes after 48? 48, 49. Blank comes after 16. Children, what comes after 16? 17. 17 comes after 16. 29 comes before. Children, 29 comes before 30. Blank comes between 30 and 32. Children, what number comes between 30 and 32? 30, 31, 32. So, 31 comes between 30 and 32. The number name for 35 is, children, we will write down 35 in words. Number name for 35 is THIRTY, 30. 5, FIVE, 5. Children, don't forget to write first letter capital. 29 is written as in numbers. Children, if we write 29 in number, I will write 29. 2 tens, 9 ones. Very good, children. Don't forget to complete your homework.